Okay, we got it right here. But before that, we're gonna do a bit quick on-hand review of this Jordan 1 satin retro. And this one, I bought this one $99.97 and then additional 30% on the Nike factory store. So I'm happy that this one went to the outlet and not really sold out online. And the thing is, the satin, probably that's why they don't really like it. But I don't know, some Jordan 1 retro had good satin, but probably this might be the bad satin. Not really sure, but still happy I got a Jordan 1 high retro satin under retail, so somewhere around $70. Okay, now that's why I'm thinking, why do they hate that one? They had a Jordan 1 and they still hate it, and it's a Jordan 1 satin. Okay, now probably they're gonna do another hate on this one. This one I think released October 29, 2020, and we got here the Air Jordan 1 mid black and white smoke gray, or they call it the white shadow. And this one is sold out some places, but they restock on Dick's, so I had a good chance copying them. Okay? Boom. Oh, nice color. I think this is somewhat just a lookalike of the Air Jordan 1 high retro shadow, which was released 2018, and then also another release way back 2013. But this one is not bad, considering most of the Jordan 1 high shadow is mostly gray on here and the toe box eyelets. Here they just replace it with mostly white. So high shadow of 2018, that's not bad as well. And considering those are reselling somewhere 400 and above, and this one I got them for retail and still like to have them. I love about this one is the colorway black and white and gray. You can pair with any other some kind of casual wear or athlete wear. Also, what I love about this one is the classic colorway of the Air Jordan high retro shadow. But I'm not hating it because it's made, because for me it's just the shoe that I want. I don't care if it's really high, if it's mid, if it's low, if it's I like it. I don't care what people say because I bought it. And just like I've been saying on this channel, buy what you want and wear what you want. So don't mind what people are saying. It's not your money, it's mine. So okay, so what maybe a downside of hate is just the quality. They say, well, you get what you paid for. So the high quality of the Air Jordan 1 retro, yes, they could put a lot better quality of the leather. They had a low quality leather on the mid. So other than that, I think the rubber and everything is just the same, and the only thing is the leather. Other than that, cushioning is almost just the same. That's the only downside that I'm saying. I'm not hating it. I like this shoe because the first one, the colorway that I could combine with some kind of clothing, and that goes with it, because the white, black and gray, you can't go wrong with those. And also I don't mind if it's mids, and lastly, the affordability, that I don't have to compete with the other people out there or reseller. What do you think on this video and this Jordan 1 mid white shadow? Would you cop them or would you pass? I would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below. And with that said, thank you for watching. Jane Vasco here. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat. Bye bye.